Hey guys, this is Grant, and today we're going to be installing FydeOS on this Dell all-in-one. Alright, so this looks like it's it. Apparently it's... Bro, no, I don't need to do that. Sir? Oh, it's working! I'm back. And here it is. It looks basically exactly like Chrome OS. And also, I would like to give credit to Michael MJD, because he just did a video about it today. Actually, I don't know if I'm going to release this video today. I feel like that'd be weird. But he did do that today. He released a video about it, and it was really interesting. He did a good job showing it off. And the touchscreen works. That's good. The thing I'm most excited about is Android app support, since Chrome OS Flex does not offer that. Alright, install. Yep, that one. Install. And it's doing it. Alright, welcome back. It has finished. Now we can shut down and restart. Alright, it is now booting up. Right when I paused it, it decided to turn on. Come on. Come on. That was a noise. Get started. No. Alright, we finished setting up Wi-Fi. Except... Oh yeah, I read that. Except... I'd rather do Google, so I'll set that up. Alright, so, it is finished. Nope. Alright, now it is finished. I accidentally unpaused it at the wrong time before, but, we're all good now. Dang it. Alright, so there it is. I'll probably put it in tablet mode. Apparently that's a thing. And yeah, that's what I was talking about the Android stuff. It's pretty cool. Where... Oh, I guess I'll do that. Alright. I think this is the cool thing. Because Chrome OS Flex can't do this. Alright, it finally installed. So here's the Google Play Store, and there's the app I want first. I should be able to install other APKs and stuff. Guess I'll try Spotify. What's it doing? Oh. Okay. No? Is it just the icon loading? Yes, it is. I do need to figure out how to get in tablet mode, because this is desktop mode, and I'm gonna not use it with the keyboard because it has a giant touchscreen. So that's kind of pending, and I hope to figure that out eventually. Let's go back. Search Firefox. Oh, there we go. Not now. Save and continue. No? You can use Linux versions of apps, I think. So I guess let's get that set up next. I don't really know what else to do. I tried, I guess. This is overall pretty cool. Also, actually, let's see if the camera works. And does it? Doesn't look like it does. It's kind of anti-climactic. Take photo. Smile. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and bye.